This video is sponsored by One Stick Society, an international group for one stick scale toy collectors. Join them for free on Facebook, link is in the description. They rock! What up, big kids? Here's your big news flash. Alright, it's my man, Aquaman. And Hot Toys revealed their first Aquaman movie masterpiece one stick scale collectible figure. Of course, it's Aquaman. I have to say, the head sculpt is pretty impressive. It looks just like Jason Momoa. I find it funny that why the long-haired characters that are male have rooted hair, but the female characters, have sculpted hair, but the female characters get rooted hair. I always find that funny. So, yeah, he'll have over 30 points of articulation. He has 6 interchangeable glove hands, 1 pair of fists, 1 pair for holding trident, 1 relaxed hand. He'll have his gold-colored trident, and especially the dynamic figure stand with ocean-themed diorama. So he doesn't come with much. Of course, he comes with the trident and the diorama, and the head sculpt looks great. However, I am a little worried about the suit, what the articulation will be, if it's like the old Thor figures or whatnot, how it'll be able to pose. And that's one of the things about Hot Toys, especially not only with the posability, but the price. You can pre-order this right now for $244, which I feel like, yeah, the diorama looks cool, the head sculpt, trident, but I feel like at the most this should have been around $200, $225. They've been raising the prices on these, and it's just so hard, especially for people like me nowadays, to get back and keep collecting Hot Toys. If it was back in the day, I would have been said, oh sure, that's fine, I can swing that, but I don't know. I like the Justice League suit, the Aquaman suit. This is definitely more comic accurate, and it looks great. Yes, the traditional trident. And I'm excited to see the movie tomorrow, but yeah, I just don't know, you guys. Or, not tomorrow, but Thursday. So, yeah, I'm really excited for the movie. I love Jason Momoa as Aquaman, but the Hot Toys figure, it looks great, but I don't know, you won't be able to do a lot of poses, I think, and the suit just looks like it's going to be very restrictive, so, and the price doesn't help at all. But what do you big kids think? Are you going to get the Hot Toys Aquaman from the Aquaman movie? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments below. Full big gallery, pre-order information, go to Sideshow Collectibles. And for more, check my website at SeanXLong.com. Like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, links in the description. I'm Sean Long, may I live long and live life. By the power of Marvel! Family! Excelsior!